Okay guys, we're with this 84-foot Pershing boat, $8 million down here at the Marco Island Marina. We're here to do full ceramic coatings, paint protection films all on the inside, and we did 3M ceramic window films in all the windows to reduce and block the heat. So come on, let's take a quick walk and show you guys what we did, what we did. So the boats went through a full polish, so we polished all of the painted surfaces on the boat. We go ahead and put ceramic coating on everything. Today we are actually doing all of the paint protection films on the insides of the boat, all the areas where people's bodies may rub up against. So areas like in here, and then the walkway. So come on, come with me, let's go for a walk. Here, we're doing this side now, so come on, let's take a quick gander and see what these guys got. As you guys can see, we're just wrapping up this whole side here. I'll show you guys, you can see the film is still hanging off right here. So the runs are done on both sides. That's the film. The film will go down here. That way no one's bags or their bodies can scratch either of these sides. So we're gonna go ahead and get those runs done all the way down there. These were all just ceramic coated about an hour ago. We just finished all of them. What that'll do is that'll protect them. They'll actually bead water. It'll help seal them. Dirt will clean off and wash off much easier, especially when it rains. So those will actually have performance as well as the rest of the boat beating water. The gentleman that maintains this, the captain of this boat, kind of a one-man crew, so this is gonna make his life much, much easier. We should reduce the amount of washing needed on the boat by 50%. His wash time should be cut by 70%. Truly a privilege to be able to work on an $8 million boat. These guys that trust our services, and trust their boat to us to do a great job, and that's what we do. We manufacture all the coatings. We know how they work, we know what they do. Nobody ceramic coats more than we do. There's only one Naples Ceramic Coatings and Dura-Coating technology. If you've got a boat, car, plane, RV, come see us, we'll make it right.